In today's video, I'm showing you how to add text on a TikTok video. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go down below and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So within this tutorial, I'm going over the full process of adding text and then actually going and setting the duration for it, as it isn't actually that straightforward. So I thought I'd make a full tutorial covering it. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. As you guys can see, I'm now on my phone, and let's go and continue with this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is go and open TikTok, of course. So I'm going to click on TikTok and we'll wait for it to load, and we can go and continue with this tutorial. So I'll just have this ad here a minute and we can go and get into this. So what you want to do is come to your profile page as you usually would, and let's go and create this TikTok. Now I want to quickly note, as well as just adding text, I'm also showing you how to change the duration, as I will have mentioned in the intro. But as you can see, here's the profile. There's nothing you really need to do before creating the video, but let's go and do this. So you want to go and do is click the plus, which is currently located in the bottom navigation bar. And as you can see, I'm now on my recording part of the tutorial. So what we want to do is record what you want to record. So I'm just going to record for a few seconds here. So I'm going to start with the white background, and then I'm going to go down and sort of go out to nothing. So that's my clip. It's a few seconds long, and that's all I want to do. So you can add enhancements and other stuff, as you can see along here, but I'm pretty happy with how it is. So once you've got your video ready, then we'll go and add some text. Let's go and get into this. So I'm going to click the check mark once I've got all the videos recorded, and then we'll go and watch this back. So we'll then go and see it. As you can see, we start with the white background, and then it slowly gets darker over time, and then we'll be able to go and fade this out. So to go and add text, what you want to do is click on the text tool. Click there, and as you can see, we now have this option to go and type. So all I'm going to do is put something like hey with an exclamation mark, and then I'm going to add a red background. So I'm going to click the red color and then double tap on the A, and it changes the background for you, sort of a bit of an outline of the text. So then you want to go and adjust it to what size you want. So I want it a bit bigger, like so, and a bit around there. And then to go and then set the duration of this, all you want to do is click once on the text, and then you're going to have a few options. So click it once, and as you can see, you've got edit, set duration, and text to speech, and those options do disappear after like a couple seconds. So click it again and click set duration, and as you can see, it then says select the sticker currently for 4.6 seconds, which is the entire clip. So if I just want it for the intro, then I simply just drag that, okay? Now you've got to have a minimum of 1 second, as you can see. Then I'm going to go and click okay. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to have it started just a bit after the start. So as you can see, that's it. And then I click the tick mark again. And as you can see, it will then only be for what I've selected. It's only in the time frames I've selected. And then that's literally it. It's going to have hey, then it's going to have test. And that is today's video. If you found it useful, please go down below and leave a like. Subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.